has sent summons to the actor. Now remember, he has already been questioned previously as well. The special investigation team in Kerala is also probing the case, and they had also spoken to Jairam. He had been questioned by the police officials as well, and he was questioned as a witness in the case. Now, in the latest, a notice has also been sent to him by the Enforcement Directorate. So the ED has now sent summons to actor Jairam. He is expected to appear before the Enforcement Directorate. My colleague Arpita joining us with the details. Arpita, Jairam has also previously been questioned by the police officials, where he did confirm that the gold from the temple was brought to his house, but he claimed his only association with the main accused Unnikrishnan Potti was as a devotee of Lord Ayyappa and nothing more.
Well, yes, Pratibha, today ED has issued summons to Malayalam popular actor Jairam. In fact, ED has asked him to appear before Kochi office on 17th of February, that is next Tuesday. In fact, what ED sources are saying is that they want to question him and see if he could give any statements that are useful for the investigation. Earlier, ED had questioned Murari Babu also in this case. In fact, Jairam was questioned a few days back by the special investigating team, where he had clarified that, in fact, he had given a statement where he informed the SIT that Unnikrishnan Potti had got the Dwarapalga idols, the gold-plated idols, to his house for puja, but he said that he wasn't aware of such fraud. In fact, he knew Unnikrishnan Potti because he, Jairam actor himself, is a very big devotee of Lord Ayyappa. Every year he visits Sabrimala, and that is how he got to know Unnikrishnan Potti. That is how he met Unnikrishnan Potti. More than that, he has no other knowledge in this case, is what he has given a statement to SIT. In fact, SIT has made him a witness in the case, but now today ED has issued a summons to him, where he will have to appear before ED on Tuesday in Kochi office.
Okay, all right, Arpita, thank you for joining us with those details. So more trouble for the actor, possibly. He's also now been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate in the case. Well, we're keeping a track of the developments on that story as the investigations continue. Quick break now. We'll be right back.